Start recording. Stop recording button.
Hello YouTube.
Stop recording button. Speech off.
Hello YouTube. Welcome back to another Smoke Alarm Collector 1000 video. And today here I just got my brand new First Alert onelink. I don't remember the exact model of this unit, but I just got it today. And we're gonna unbox it and see if it works and see how it is and actually after I do this I got a little story. But just to recap, up here by my bed I have a First Alert onelink bridge unit 3rd gen. Right to the left of that I have a onelink bridge unit 1st gen.
5:09 p.m. 11
and then
notifications.
right on my and then overhanging on my dresser,
Speech off.
on the side of my dresser, I have another onelink bridge unit 1st gen. All the rest of mine are talking, so let's see if this is a 1st gen or a 3rd gen. I kind of have a feeling it's going to be a 3rd gen, but we'll see. We will see. It's a very exciting day because I've been waiting for this because I had to, what I had to do was I had to start a, what's called a case research, because the item was not here when it should have been. It was, it had got stuck over in Memphis, Tennessee, when it's supposed to be coming to me here in New York, and it got stuck for like 5 days. So I had to call the Postal Service and make a case research project about it. And sure enough, the package has been found and got to me today. So I really hope that nothing got damaged in this package while it was lost. Yeah, we're going to take it out and inspect it because I want to make sure there's nothing damaged with it. We're getting somewhere, guys. I kind of hear something rattling around in there. That doesn't really seem too good to hear. Oh, I'm just like ripping the paper. Trying to get in here, guys, without breaking the box. Cause you got this tape stuff here we gotta get through. Always the hardest part. Oh, we're getting in here now, guys. Yep. Turn on Do Not Disturb.
Okay. Do not disturb is now on.
There we go. Okay. Because When I'm doing these videos, I do not like to be disturbed. Who would think, guys? There we go. Now we got the hole bigger. Okay, now we're getting it out. Yep, just like they said, it's brand new, hasn't been opened. Hasn't even been opened. There we go. Alright, the packaging is off. Here's the alarm itself in the box. Looks like a very similar box to my other ones. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox it. It's just gonna flip up and we can lift this out. So it's just gonna flip up like that. There we go. Pull that out. Of course, got the instructions. Got the 2 batteries, which I'll put in my pocket here. That way we don't lose them. There we go. Now here is the alarm itself. Yep, here is the alarm itself. Oh, it looks a little bit different actually. No, it looks the same, but it kind of looks different though. Oh, there we go. It's coming out. Alright guys, here it is. Guys, I think it's another 3rd gen. I think I was right, guys. I think it's another 3rd gen. Oh, the hardware. Oh, the wiring hardware is underneath the mounting plate. Huh, that's pretty unique way to do it. Okay. Oh, that is a very clicky test button. That is a very clicky test button. It looks smaller though. Alright, let's put the batteries in. And that'll really tell us if it's a 3rd gen or a 2nd gen. Battery goes that way. And this battery goes this way. Okay. Now let's go ahead and push the drawer in. And put my earmuffs on. I'm going to go ahead and push the drawer in. And let's see if it works. Let's go ahead and close it. Yeah, it works. Let's go ahead and test it now. Yeah, that is a very clicky button. Okay, let's see. You know what? I'm gonna disconnect my 3rd generation, and we'll see if it sounds the same. Because if it does, that's how we'll know it's a 3rd. So let's go ahead and do that quick. All right, let's go ahead and test the 3rd generation first. Alright, now let's test the new one. Oh, it's lower pitch. It's a 1st gen. That's lower pitch. So yeah, guys, it turns out that this new alarm is actually a 1st gen. That's pretty cool. I thought it was going to be like a I thought it was going to be another 3rd gen, but no, that's pretty cool. It turns out it's a 1st gen. Okay. Pretty cool. I like this. But like, I like how like, I really like how like on most of my, oh, it's just like the one I had before. So I literally got that one right back. How awesome. But like, on the other one I had before, the the test button wasn't clicky, but on this one it's clicky. So like, now we have 4 hardwired onelink units. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and connect them. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it to all my units, and we'll go ahead and test them all. Let's go ahead and do that. So I need to put these 2 back in link mode because I unlinked my bed one. Let's do that. There we go. Let's do the same thing with this one. Alright, now let's go hold the one near the door to connect it to all the others. Alright, there we go. So now they're all connected together. So now let's go ahead and test them all. Now guys, this is going to be really loud, so like I said, I always wear ear protection, but please turn down your volume and make sure you don't hold the phone to your ear, because we're going to go ahead and test all of these. So here we go.
Testing.
Here we go. That's loud. I know.
Evacuate.
Yeah.
Warning. Evacuate carbon monoxide. Evacuate carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm. Carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Alright, so there's all of them together. So now, if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Oh, but before I go, there's a glitch that my other alarms have where you can make it beep continuously. Let's see if this new one has that glitch. Let's try it, see if it has that glitch. Alright. Here we go. Let's see if it does. Yep, it does have that glitch. Alright, there we go. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Peace. And please stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.
Speech close, but low power. Close.